Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me, and basically we're going to do something really easy and simple. We're going to prepare some sardine from the tin. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1. So I went ahead and placed my frying pan on the stove with some vegetable oil. I also have some scallions, some onion, some scotch bonnet pepper, some bell peppers, and I also have some tomatoes, and of course, we have our garlic. So, I love to go ahead and fry up my garlic and my onion first, and also I will add the scallion because you want to get all of that flavor, but at the same time you don't want your seasoning to be too soft. All right, when you're having your sardine, you want it to be really crunchy and nice. And I am preparing just one serving for one person alone. All right, but even though I'm preparing one serving, I love to go ahead and add a lot of seasoning. All right, because sometimes these things tend to be a little bit raw, so you have to season it properly. So I went in and had my tomatoes, and I also went ahead and add the bell peppers. Again, you don't want these vegetables to be too soft. Within 2 minutes it is all ready. So you're gonna go ahead and add the sardine, or if you're preparing a mackerel, you can just go ahead and add whatever you're preparing. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the sardine, and then I'm gonna combine everything together. I like to break my sardine apart, and of course, I'm gonna go ahead and add some black pepper just for the taste, and also to cut down a little bit of the rawness. All right, so basically we're finished. Just leave this for a minute, serve this up with some fried ripe plantain, some white rice, and show you guys the final product. All right, stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my sardine. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and purchase a sardine and do it just like I did. Guys, once again, go ahead and subscribe. Remember to share. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.